one of the most agricultural country in Asia, and it is one of the top producers of rice, corn in Asia. But it is slowly deteriorating because of the modernization of rice fields turned into buildings and infrastructures, such as land are wasted for those projects.
There's even a fact that a cornfield was turned into a dump site where garbages from the cities were dumped there to rotting. If only think that all rotting, some of it are plastics that took millions of years just to rot, made that it to be a problem. If only those fertile land were treasured, it would be so nice to have seen a lush green field filled with crops that our country boasted of.
Remote and unforgiving, this is the Brazilian Amazon, 30 kilometers from the border with Venezuela. This area is part of a federally protected reserve where 20,000 Yanomami indigenous people live. Using intelligence and GPS coordinates, the Army has identified this clandestine runway cut out of the forest. Jungle shock troops are dropped in and light a fuse that does this.
But still, unrelinquished destruction still unimposed, just like illegal mining of the ores that result to deterioration of the soil. Just what happened in Naga City, Cebu. Hundreds of people died because of landslide that was caused by it. That if unable to undo those illegal things, more people's lives will be at stake.
Soil is one of the most important thing that we need to take care, because it is there we get our needs and the things that we made us survive. Just like trees, crops, food, and other valuables from the soil. So here's 5 tips to maintain the soil we need today.
Stay off wet soil. Do not walk or drive on wet soil or do anything that packs it down. Pack the soil prevents air and water to flow through it, which eliminates room from roots to grow.
Mix compost into sandy soil to improve nitrogen levels and bring a greater yield of crops and plants.
Utilize your soil wisely. Use the organic fertilizer designed to meet the needs of the soil in a particular region. Follow the instruction on the container carefully and do not apply more fertilizer than is suggested.
I care for Mother Earth!
Go!
I care for Mother Earth! I care for Mother Earth! I care for Mother Earth! We care for Mother Earth!